things in life, you want them, they're right there, they're right in front of you. Everything is achievable, but it's up to you what you want. I love making people happy. That's, I think, part of my life, and one of the biggest reasons why probably God sent me in this world was to make people smile and happy. Break those walls down, guys. You know, nothing's stopping you. The only thing that stops you is yourself, because you think that you're not capable. And that's rubbish. Welcome back. We are now driving into Cape Town. So we're now running through gardens. So we've just come off the top of the highway. And I keep on forgetting the name of this highway, but it's a really nice name, but I keep on forgetting it. Luckily, I don't forget my wife's name, eh? So, yes. So, guys, we're running through gardens here. Another nice place. Running straight into the city. This is like a work district, shopping district, living area, residential, and business as well. So, it's actually quite a nice place. So gardens runs straight into the deep of the city, which is quite nice. And from here, you can see the Lion's Head Mountain just up there. You can briefly just see it in the corner. And on the left-hand side to that, we'll go a bit further. You'll be able to see Table Mountain on the left-hand side when we go a bit further up. I'm just sat here in a bit of traffic, driving through. And yeah, guys, today's Friday. So I'm heading through into the city. So I love praying my Jummah Salah here, my Friday prayers. And for most of you who don't know, but I'm a Muslim. I'm sure everybody knows. But now you can see the actual sign there. It says Table Mountain. So Table Mountain, there's access points all over the place here. So yeah, I love praying out here into the city every Friday. And some afternoons as well, I'll pray here in the city. So it's a lovely place. For me, that's my peace. Every mosque is God's house, God's prayer house. And but for me, obviously, my certain love here is for Dope Street. And the reason, one of the biggest reasons is I love praying outside. I love it, absolutely love it. And so for me, it just gives me peace. And praying here in the city center, you get to meet a lot of different types of people, different cultured people, Muslims from different countries, from all over the world, and it's just fantastic. I love it, and it's just it's nice. It's really nice. We're gonna be passing one of the oldest mosques in Cape Town. It's called Masjid Al-Awwal. Awwal meaning first. So it's the first mosque, and again, it's in gardens. It's a beautiful mosque. It's just down here on the left-hand side, right in front of the French embassy, and it is quite warm out here today. And guys, these are our new delivery scooters here in South Africa and in Cape Town. So these are our Evil Knievels. These are our devil riders. They deliver everything on time, and they will give up their entire life just to get it there on time, guys. They ride like lightning. These guys are lightning McQueens, all of them. They're major fast guys. They in and out, and as you can see, there's two drivers in front of us, and we're approaching our destination shortly. So yeah, these are hotels on the sides here. That's why you've got Uber drivers and Bolt drivers parked up. So yeah. Next street is Dope Street, guys. That's our stop. Yes, fantastic. So guys, it's the bottom section of Dope Street. Okay, so they've closed it off today for some reason. So you can see that there's guys here that are stood outside, sitting outside on the curbs, on the footpaths, because they close off the road here on a Friday so that the Friday prayer can take place. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to turn around and I'm going to possibly try to find a parking space here on the left hand side up this hill, as you can see just here, and see if I can find a parking space. Okay, I'm going to turn left here and come back down Dope Street from the top so that we can park the vehicle and can go off to pray, our Friday prayer. These are some of the government buildings here, guys, and as you can see, this is Cape Town City. We're right in the heart of the city right now. This is like the financial district. So you've got all the banks here, all their main buildings here, like your Standard Bank, ABSA banks, FNB, RMB. So you've got all of these bank buildings here as well. Investec is also here. You've got HSBC down the road on the right hand side, down the bottom, next door to the Taj Hotel. So you've got quite a lot of things here, guys. So yeah, I just thought I'd catch up with you guys today and do another video quickly whilst I'm driving. And so yeah, guys, I'm going to say goodbye because I'm now going to be rushing to find a parking spot. And but listen, thank you very much for following me on this lovely short journey. But hey, you know, Cape Town's Cape Town, isn't it? A journey is a journey. Doesn't matter how long it takes at the end of it. As long as you get there at the end, that's what matters. Okay, guys? So take care. Love you guys. Have a lovely day. See you soon. Bye-bye.